Okay people. Yes, I am now feeling well. I really said that yesterday. Anyway, cue the Infogrames logo. Infogrames, you are not supposed to be in color hues. You are supposed to be in regular colors. Try again. What on earth was that? You are not supposed to interrupt by the PBS Kids 2015 gardening ident. Please try that again. You are not supposed to be in comic book form. Change it now. No. That is not in Fisheye. Change it.
Okay, we got the logo right. Now you may return to your business.